Scratches on prescription glasses with coating are frustrating. But before spending hundreds on replacement lenses, there are several home methods worth trying first. Understanding what you are working with is critical. Most modern prescription lenses have multiple coatings, including anti-reflective, UV protection, and scratch-resistant layers. Here is the important truth. No home remedy can permanently remove scratches from coated lenses because the scratch is actually damage to the coating itself. What these methods do is minimize the appearance of scratches by filling the damaged area, making them significantly less visible and less distracting. For deep structural scratches that affect your vision clarity, the only real solution is professional lens replacement. Always consult your optician for severe damage. Before attempting any scratch treatment, clean your lenses thoroughly to remove all dust, oils, and debris that could cause additional scratching during treatment. Always wash your hands before handling prescription lenses. Oils and particles from your fingers transfer directly to the lens surface. Use a proper lens cleaning solution and a clean microfiber cloth for the initial cleaning, never paper towels or clothing fabrics. The first and most popular home method uses non-abrasive white toothpaste, specifically a plain white paste variety with no gel, no whitening agents, and no micro beads. Gel toothpastes and whitening toothpastes contain harsher abrasives that can permanently damage lens coatings further. Always use plain white paste only. Apply a small pea-sized amount of toothpaste to a clean cotton ball and rub it gently onto the scratched lens in small circular motions. The mild abrasive in plain toothpaste gently buffs the edges of the scratch, reducing its light-catching properties and making it less visible. Work in gentle circular motions for approximately 10 seconds per scratch. Never apply heavy pressure, as this risks damaging surrounding coating. Rinse the lens thoroughly under cool running water to remove all toothpaste residue completely before evaluating the results. Use a clean microfiber cloth to gently pat the lens dry. Never rub vigorously, as rubbing can introduce new micro scratches to the coating. Hold the lens up to a bright light and examine the treated area. Fine surface scratches should appear noticeably less visible after this treatment. The second method uses a baking soda and water paste, mixing 2 parts baking soda with 1 part water to create a smooth, consistent mixture. Baking soda is a very mild abrasive that works similarly to toothpaste, but with a slightly different particle structure that some users find more effective. Apply the paste with a clean cotton ball using the same gentle circular motion technique, covering the entire scratched area evenly. Work the paste gently for 10 to 15 seconds before rinsing completely under cool running water and drying with a microfiber cloth. The baking soda method is particularly effective on fine surface scratches in anti-reflective coatings. Results are often visible after just 1 application. Vehicle wax is a third option that works differently from the previous 2. It fills scratch grooves rather than buffing them down. Apply a very small amount of vehicle wax to a soft, clean cloth and buff it gently across the lens surface in circular motions. The wax fills the micro grooves of fine scratches and creates a smooth surface that catches less light, making scratches appear to disappear. Buff away any excess wax with a clean, dry microfiber cloth. The lens should appear noticeably clearer and more transparent after this step. Vehicle wax also provides a temporary protective barrier over the treated area, helping prevent the existing scratches from collecting dust and debris. Never use household glass cleaners, acetone, bleach, or vinegar on coated prescription lenses. These chemicals destroy lens coatings permanently and irreversibly. Avoid using paper towels, tissues, or regular clothing to clean or treat prescription lenses. These materials are far too abrasive for delicate optical coatings. After treating your lenses, invest in a proper hard case and always store your glasses safely when not in use. Prevention is always better than correction. While no home method fully restores scratched coated lenses to factory condition, consistent, careful treatment significantly reduces scratch visibility and extends the usable life of your prescription glasses considerably.